Introducing Pygen, a tool that converts your Figma designs into Tkinter-based applications in just a few clicks. This is me, Priyam, from Proxttk, and let's get started. First things first, head over to the link in the description to download Pygen. It's available for both Windows and macOS. Once you've downloaded the appropriate file, simply extract it and run the executable to install Pygen on your system. It's super easy and doesn't require any complicated setup. Now, if you don't already have a Figma account, you'll need to create one. Just head to figma.com, click sign up and follow the prompts. It's completely free to use. Once your account is set up, you can create a new Figma design file. I've already made a simple design here, which we'll convert into Tkinter code using Pygen. Before you use Pygen, there are a few things you need to know about formatting your Figma design so it's compatible with Tkinter. In Figma, naming your elements is important. Pygen uses these names to map Figma elements to Tkinter widgets. Here are some examples. For a button, name the Figma element button. For a text input, name it text box. And for multiple line text area, use text area. It's simple but critical for an accurate code conversion. Alright, now let's move on to the required inputs for Pygen. You'll need two things, a personal access token from Figma and the URL of your Figma file. To get your personal access token, log into your Figma account, go to Settings, scroll down to the Accounts tab, and you'll see the option to generate a new token. Copy it and keep it somewhere safe as you'll need it for Pygen. For the file URL, just click the share button in the top right of your Figma file and hit the copy link. Easy as that. Now let's open Pygen. This is what the interface looks like. In the first field, paste your personal access token. In the second, paste your Figma file link. Then choose where you want the generated Tkinter code to be saved. Now all you have to do is click Generate and Pygen will take care of the rest. Once Pygen has finished, your code will be saved in a folder called Build. Let's take a quick look at the code. This is the Tkinter code Pygen generated from our Figma design. It includes all the buttons, text fields, and layouts we created. No boilerplate, no hassle, just pure Python. Now let's run the Python file to see the application in action. As you can see, our Figma design has been turned into a fully functional Tkinter GUI application. It's responsive, accurate, and ready for further customization. And that's it for this tutorial with Pygen. You can now transform your Figma designs into fully functional Python applications in just minutes. If you want to generate code using AI, then you simply can use our Gumroad page and you will get a license file for that which you can use to write your own code. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye. Peace.